Hello student, welcome to my Belaku Education YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the syllabus of Financial Accounting 2 for BCom second semester as per CBCS syllabus for Rani Chennamma University, Belgavi. The objective of introduction to financial accounting is it will helps to student to gain knowledge in special business activities as well as it impart the skill of preparation of financial accounting accounts of organizations as well as to develop the skills of recording of transactions relating to issue of consignment, branches, hire purchases and the installment manually. Here the first unit is consignment account. Here the first unit is consignment accounts, wherein we will study meaning of consignment, important terms used in consignment, valuation of stock, normal loss, abnormal loss, problems relating to consignment in the books of consignor as well as consignee. The various methods for preparation of consignment, the first one is on the basis of cost price method as well as an invoice price method, and lastly the theory and practical problems relating to consignment. And second unit branch accounts, wherein we will study about dependent branches and features of dependent branches, books of accounts which is maintained in dependent branches, the methods of accounting of dependent branches. The methods are on the basis of debtor system, stock and debtor system as per the cost price as well as invoice price, theory and practical problems relating to dependent branches excluding independent branches. So third unit is hire purchase accounting. It includes the excluding of reposition, hire purchase system, features of hire purchase system, accounting treatment in the books of hire purchaser and hire vendor, and problems relating to hire purchase accounts. And fourth unit is partnership, wherein we will study the concept of limited liability partnership, the meaning of LLP, and objectives, features, merits in conversion of joint stock companies into limited liability partnership, and the last unit is fifth unit, cooperative society accounting, wherein we will study the theory only, the introduction of cooperative society accounting, need, registration of cooperative society accounting, types of societies, books of accounts to be maintained, accounting standard applicable, types of auditing, provisions of Cooperative Society Act. The Financial Accounting 2 contains 5 units. The first one is consignment account. The first one is consignment account. Second one is branch account. Third one is hire purchase accounting. Fourth one partnership, and last one is cooperative society accounting. So thank you for watching my videos.